Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a recap of all the things that I said I was not going to buy in 2024 and whether or not I actually ended up buying those things. I honestly have to say I thought that I did so good. And then I went back and I realized I sure didn't. I sure did not. I did not do so good. Okay. But if you guys want to see what I ended up buying in 2024 when I said that I was not going to buy it, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already want to say, if you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to be here when I do. You like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like saying that you're not going to buy any of that stuff and then buying it anyways. I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So the first thing that I said that I was not going to buy in 2024 was designer shoes. I did not buy any shoes in 2024. And I did buy shoes, but no luxury shoes. So I actually did this one. So proud of myself. I had like a minute where I was like really into shoes, but now I just feel like I don't care that much. I feel like I've got most of my bases covered. There is a pair of shoes that I want to buy this year from Hermes. So those will probably join at some point. But besides that, I feel like I have everything that I need. So like, why do I need to buy my shoes? Okay, I don't. The next item that I said I was not going to buy in 2024 is costume jewelry. Now, I was really close on this one. I was really, really close, but I did fail. I did fail this. I bought something from Hermes that is considered costume jewelry. You guys have not seen it yet, but you will in an upcoming video. But it is definitely costume jewelry, and I honestly don't even care that I broke it for this piece. If it wasn't for this one piece, I would have gone the entire year without buying costume jewelry. So I'm really good with that. But this piece I felt like was special and I had to jump on it, and so I did. And so I think you'll understand when you see it. I really think that you're gonna be like, oh, when you see it. It's gonna make sense. Everything will be good. The next thing that I said I was not going to buy is luxury sunglasses. And I actually have not bought any sunglasses, not even luxury, not non-luxury. Okay, that's not true. I did buy sunglasses from Amazon to go to the Don Omar concert. Oh wait, I also bought running sunglasses from Amazon. But again, those were like $10 each, maybe, and not luxury sunglasses. So I'm good with this one, okay? Yes, technically I bought 3 pairs of sunglasses this year, but total they were like $30. All from Amazon, and I have to say the ones that I use for running, I got my cost per wear like immediately from those. So I'm good here. I didn't buy any luxury sunglasses. I don't plan on buying any luxury sunglasses kind of like ever again. I just don't feel like it's worth it at all. If I want sunglasses for like style, I think there are plenty of other brands that will give me that I don't have to spend like $600 on plastic. You know, if you guys love sunglasses, like I say in every single video, if you love sunglasses, if you love buying shoes, whatever you love buying, like please continue to love buying it. I just so happen to not love buying it. The next thing that I said I was not going to buy is bag organizers. And I actually did fail on this. I did. I got a bag that I felt like needed an organizer. And so I bought one from Amazon. I think my Birkin 30, I'll link the unboxing up here, did come with an organizer. I'm not counting that. I did like separately buy an organizer. I am okay with this because now I only have 2 bag organizers and I definitely have more than 2 bags. So I'm good with this. I'm not really into bag organizers. I know especially with Hermes bags, everybody is always like, oh, you have to have an organizer. Like, nah, I'm good. Like if I had a bag that was like extremely slouchy or like in Clemence, like maybe then I would feel like I need it, or maybe then I would put one in. But in general, I just don't feel like every single bag needs to have one. It just so happens that this particular bag, I felt like needed one. And so it has one now. Next was bag charms. And I am very happy to say I have still not purchased any bag charms and I have no plans on doing so. I know bag charms are like the thing. They are the accessory of the year. Like don't even buy a new bag. Just go straight to buying bag charms. I understand that. I just don't care. I just feel like they don't add anything for me and my style. Like I like a clean, crisp looking bag. I don't want bag charms dangling off my bags. I don't put the clochettes on Birkins and Kellys specifically because I don't like stuff hanging off my bag. So I don't know why I would then pay money in order to put stuff hanging off my back. It doesn't make sense for me. I didn't buy any in 2024 and I'm not gonna buy any in 2025. I will say though, if you guys saw my luxury gift guide, which I'll link up here, I mentioned a Loewe bag charm in that video, and I really like this bag charm, you guys. I think it is really freaking cute. I'm not gonna buy it. I also don't have any Loewe bags, and I just think that's weird, like to have like a Birkin and then like a Loewe, that's weird to me. But I do really like that bag charm. I think if I was gonna get any bag charm, it would be that one. But still, I'm not gonna get it because no, I'm good. I like the way my bags look, like crisp. The next thing I said I was not gonna buy are Van Cleef and Arpels Alhambra bracelets. I did stick to this. I did not buy any Alhambra bracelets at all. And I was actually this close to buying the carnelian one, but I did not. And I'm very happy I did not, because I also sold the two that I had. I had the mother of pearl and I had the onyx. And if you remember in last year's video when I said that I was not gonna be buying these, which by the way, I will link that video in the cards. I said that I don't like the look of just a bunch of Van Cleef Alhambra bracelets on a wrist. Like I just don't like how that looks. So thank God I didn't buy the carnelian one, by the way, because then I would have had 3. First of all, I didn't wear them at all, okay? I was the type of person who was not gonna wear these in the shower ever. I never wore them in the shower. If I did, it was a complete accident. That happened, I think, twice. So I hardly wore them. And then when I did wear them, I would look down and just like, they wouldn't bring me any joy whatsoever. And I really feel like I'm starting to like daintier jewelry a lot more now. And having those 5 motif bracelets, in my opinion, that's not very dainty. So now I usually just wear my Juste un Clou, which I'm not even wearing today because I was running. I usually just wear my Juste un Clou on its own. And I just love the way that that looks. I will probably at some point add like a thin bangle, but then that's it. I think I'm good with just those 2. Side note, I was running and I fell and I was wearing my Juste un Clou, because you guys know that I wear that like every day, and she got scratched. She got some gouges taken out of her, which is why I don't wear it when I run anymore, because now I'm scared. Like if you want to mess up my hands with the cement as I'm falling, that's fine, but not the Juste un Clou, man. Come on. Yeah, I did stick to this. I did not get any Van Cleef bracelets this year, and I am not going to be getting any Van Cleef bracelets in the foreseeable future. I do still have my necklace, and I love my necklace, and I'm not planning on doing it. I love that necklace, but really, I'm fine. I feel like Van Cleef had like a real moment in my heart, and now I'm just kind of over it. Like I'd prefer to have gold rather than having like white, black, red on my wrist, if that makes sense. And the last thing that I said I was not gonna buy in 2024 that I failed so hard, you guys. This is the one that went to shit so fast, okay? I said I was not gonna buy handbags in 2024. I did allow myself 2 handbags. And yeah, no, we bought more than that. We bought like 15 fucking bags. Like there was so many bags in 2024. It's like insane. To be fair, I did sell not even technically, I sold more bags than I bought. However, the bags that I bought were way more expensive than the bags that I sold. So really, yeah, they didn't work out in my favor whatsoever. Yeah, I didn't stick to this at all. Like, nope. The only thing I did in 2024 is buy handbag. Like, I don't even know. I really thought I was doing that. No, I didn't do it. Not me. Yeah, guys, that was the 2024 items that I will not be buying recap video. I am going to be making a 2025 items that I will not be buying, so stay tuned for that video. But what do you guys think about my list? How did I do? I did so bad. Stop. You don't have to lie. This did not go according to plan. But you know what? Does life ever go according? I don't think so. So really, I'm good with this. But let me know in the comments, was there anything that you said that you were not going to buy in 2024 and then you totally just bought it anyways? If you stuck by your 2024 no buy list, I am so proud of you, okay? Because that shit is hard. I don't care what anybody says. Even if it's something that you never buy, like bag organizers. I had never, ever in my life bought a bag organizer. And then I said, I'm not buying bag organizer. And guess what? I bought a bag organizer. Okay. This is just, it's hard. So if you did it, good job. You killed it, honestly. Killed it. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought of my list. let me know, what do I need to put on my 2025 no buy list? Because I'm kind of creating it. I obviously don't want it to be exactly the same as it was in 2024. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I have to take pictures, which just means I have to put actual pants on.